everybody, we're back. Tony with Fast Intentions, and today we have a 2020 brand new from the showroom floor Nissan 370Z Nismo. Today we installed the Stillen Generation 3 cold air intake system, as well as always our catback exhaust system. This one features our 12-inch resonated X-pipe, 14-inch touring polished stainless steel mufflers, standard polished stainless steel tips. So this setup's a pretty standard install, and rightfully so. We've sold close to 2,100 units to date. Still rolling strong over a decade in.